Ugh, how can beavers live in that? Hello everyone, this is Micah E here, and today I'm just showing you a quick little video on what different types of water there are in the forest. As you can see here, I have 3 bottles laid out. One is full with river water, one is full with beaver pond water from the beaver pond, and the other is full of trench water, as in like the water that gathers in little puddles on the ground. So I'm going to give you a quick look at each one, and I'm going to let you guess, but then I'm going to tell you which one is the best one, safest to drink when boiled, and which one is the safest to drink if you can't boil it or filter it. So let's take a quick look. So this is our first bottle here. This is water from the beaver pond, which I collected earlier. It has a caramel mixed in with water appearance to it. Very murky brown with a whole bunch of silt and other gunk floating around in it. I would suggest that this would be one of the worst of the things that you were to drink without boiling, as there's a whole bunch of stuff, including beaver excrements, and beavers play in this a lot of the time, so I don't think you would want to drink this without boiling it or filtering it first. If you do, I think you'll probably have a lot of bad things going through your body if you do. As in, like, you might get pretty sick, and in a survival situation, that is the last thing you want. So, beaver pond water, out of 10 to drink safely without boiling or filtering, I'd give it a 0.001 out of 10. This is our second bottle, the trench water. It has sort of a green herbal tea appearance to it, and you can see all the little dots and bits of dirt inside of it floating around. I collected this on the trench that spreads the field to the beaver dam. There's a little trench there in between where the beavers use it to get to the river. There's a little trench there, and that leads to the river and to the beaver dam. The beavers use it all the time, so it probably contains some beaver excrement. It contains dirt. I've seen many frogs hatch in there, and I've seen many other thing I can't name or identify floating in it. It's very gunky. It has almost that weird, eerie, see-through it, but almost not appearance to it. 1 out of 10 for drinking safely without filtering or boiling. I would give this as a 1 out of 10. You can get very sick if you drink this. Do not drink. And here we have our final bottle with river water in it. As you can see, there's a difference to the other two. The other two were all brownish. And I swear this is not bottled water. It is river water. There are a few bits of dirt floating around, but those could be easily filtered, although I would suggest boiling it before to get out any particles of anything that you don't want going through you. But 1 out of 10 for drinking safely without boiling or filtering, I would give this a 9 out of 10. The river water, because it's fast moving, there isn't much time for bacteria to form in there. Unlike the other two, which is still standing water, stagnant water, this one is free-flowing, which would clear out much of the stuff that you wouldn't want going through you. So if you can take a guess, river water is the safest to drink without boiling or filtering it. So now you know. Hope this helps. So that was just a quick look on what types of water there are that you'll be able to get into the forest and which one is the safest to drink. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.